taking
but I'm
the
just asking you some
position.
specific points was it an invasion?
Please feel free to ask me specific points. But my position is that my country, and I'm foreign minister of my country, so therefore I have to reflect my country's position, is that we're not taking sides in this conflict. We've just got out of Afghanistan, and literally like a month or a few months before this conflict broke out, the fall of Kabul happened. We're sick and tired after 20 years of war and conflict, and we saw at the end of that how ultimately, no matter what people thought, without asking us, without asking the Afghans, dialogue was started, dialogue happened, and whether you like it or not, a conclusion was reached. And we suffered in that conflict, not only in the form of 80,000 Pakistani lives that were lost. My mother lost her own life, and now we've washed our hands of the whole situation and are moving on.
I want to ask you about Afghanistan in a moment.
All I'm saying is that what's happening in the Ukraine right now, which from the Russians have their own perspective, the West has their own perspective, whichever perspective you hold, this is surely not the appropriate time to be starting another world war.
But the UN Secretary General is a neutral arbiter. He has the Charter of the UN, and he says it's been violated. We've got a UN Commission of Inquiry and an International Criminal Court prosecutor who says there have been war crimes.
As far as the UN Charter is concerned, and international law is concerned, and UN resolutions are concerned, I completely and utterly support them. I would just like, be it the Secretary General, be it the United States, be it everybody else involved in this conflict, that they had the same line when it came to the issue of Kashmir. Because over there, international law has been violated, UN Security Council resolutions have been violated, a whole host of international organizations are emphasizing the deep violations of human rights. Muslims, not only within the Kashmir Valley, but all across India, the largest minority on earth, are being persecuted. So if we are expected to take positions on one issue, at least from the major stakeholders, there should be a similar policy all the time, and therefore it would be